Rahim.
Ladies are cooking.
Yes.
Ladies are cooking. Ladies are cooking the food, not ladies are cooking. So, Lovely here is actually taking very professional chef course, and she knows how to cook very tasty dishes like this specialty Hunan chili chicken, spicy chicken. I mean, I cannot even speak because my mouth water is just flowing. And let's try this piece, shall we? Yes, let's do it. Oh man, it's delicious, absolutely delicious. If you eat more of this though, a lot of this, in the morning is another story then. Alhamdulillah. Man, this is amazing. Very good. Before eating, you must say that, right? Man, I'm sure your mouth waters. You're drooling now. Lovely. How much do you sell this dish for in your restaurant?
So actually, I didn't sell it. No, I just do it for myself.
Oh, so she hasn't started selling yet. But if you guys want to eat this, most welcome to China. Come to Lovely's restaurant and enjoy all this food. Not for free, of course. You have to pay for that. It's free for me. For us. Ah, that was nice, man. Alhamdulillah, that was really nice. I'm gonna steal some potato from Hadi's.
我保证不会放多。
好，你放你就滴一下就好了，把这个滴一下。
He doesn't know.
一下。
对，就放在这里放。
He doesn't know I stole his potato.
对。
Hey, I need some potatoes. They're really tasty.
Potato is more there. 好好 ，OK OK。
You know, let me put the camera down and do some justice with this chicken. All right, our next dish that I'm gonna test is this chili. This is cooked by Mariam, right? And Mariam is professional for cooking this chili also.
没有带晚饭的勺子吧？
那个箱子里面，牛奶箱子里面。
Hey.
给你们盛饭啊！小心一点。
Alhamdulillah, that's nice food.
Easy easy， 站起来到妈妈这里来，等一下我妈妈
And
了。
some potato.
够了。没有筷。
筷子，你们家有筷子吧？带了筷子吧？
Man, we are going to get fat. Very
尝
fat.
尝
Look at the
Honey,
pillow.
Mama, give
He's
me a
getting
little
fat
rice.
as well, right?
，only a little。
Skeleton need to get fatter. That's my rice.
No， 尝尝尝 ，I give you。
I love potato. Do you
帮
know
我来一双，
my nickname is potato?
小张，
Alu.
帮我来一双。
有那么热吗？
我现在背后好热，
I just saw meat.
太温暖了，太温暖了。
I just saw meat. Put some chili on it. Make it spicy. Make it spicy, please. Chef, please make it spicy.
Okay, I will do it for you. Spicy, very spicy.
Oh, that's a fried rice. Egg fried rice.
这个温暖多。
So we are really prepared today, alhamdulillah.
芒果汁，
To eat this, we just put it in lettuce
芒果汁吗？
Juice, orange juice.
and bite it.
You want？
好，帮我盛下。我来吧。
Alhamdulillah. That's very nice. Hey, I'm making a eating
不
vlog
要大
today.
头的啊。
我这样沾着吃。You want one?
OK，
sauce?
尝一下，尝一下，enough。
Nice sauce. Bye.